All right, we just finished assembling this sit-to-stand desk from Amazon, and this unit is programmable and electric for moving up and down. Love it. Also has a nice little shelf here for your monitors. Comes with a couple of soft boxes for putting things in. You can run your cables through right there. It was easy to put together. Feels very sturdy, and I love the programmable. So if right now it's in sit position, which I have programmed to number 2. If I press number 1, it's going to automatically start adjusting. And look, you have a digital height reference. So if you do want to know exactly how high or how low the sit-to-stand went, you can focus on that. But right now it is raising automatically. The motors seem to work fine. It's not really too slow. I mean, it's pretty decent. I don't know how fast you really need that to go. But yeah, take it up to where I like it, where I have it programmed to 42.9. And now that's a perfect stand height for myself. And again, if I want, I program number 2 back for sit, and it'll automatically go back down to 30 something that I had it programmed for. So works pretty awesome. Sit stand desk, Amazon, for the win.
I'm wasting my money.